Hey guys, so I'm gonna try to save this bird right here. See if I can do it. And make sure you like to, good luck to saving the bird. Thank you. Bye. Hey guys, it's Robert here. I don't know if you guys, there's a bird right here, and we're gonna try to save it. This bird just flew over the window and it got hit. So what I'll do, I'm gonna try to lift her up. Alright, buddy. There you go. Good birdie. Now you guys do not know how scared I am right now. What the birds eat, guys. Here, take this. Come on, hey. You don't have to be scared. I'm gonna save you. I didn't claw at you with the stick when I scared you, but you have rabies. Rabies. Now come on, bird. Fly. Oh, there. Okay, guys. I really got the bird off of the stick. Well, it's up and responsive. It just doesn't be responsive itself. So, yeah. I'm gonna try to get the bird out and moving. See how this works. Alright, birdie. Come on. Come on. You fly away now. You're okay. I'm not gonna hurt you. You might feel hurt getting poked out with a stick. Are you stuck on this? Is it under you? Dude, hey! Come on, bro. Come on. Espanol. Okay, come on. Come on. I believe in you. I believe in you! You can do it. You can do anything, man. Anything. I like your hair, by the way. Nice and red. I have no idea what kind of bird you are. If you guys know what kind of bird that is, you type it up. All you have to do is believe in yourself, man. Yeah. Come on. Just coming out this way. No. Don't you talk back to me, you bud. Don't you give me that stern. I'm gonna leave, and you can just turn around and walk out and fly away.
What kind of bird that is?
I don't know,
Red head on it.
but I got it unstuck it up.
It's sitting at the down end of the